Bullish calls today on growth stocks. What else is new, including Amazon getting a new street high price target. What else is new there as well, Rahel?
Hi, Scott. Yes, in fact, a couple of names that we mentioned earlier in the show. So let's start with Amazon. Pivotal raising its price target to now a street high, $4,500. Rating, however, stays at a buy. So analysts argue, Scott, that most of the sum of the parts valuations for Amazon are incorrect, saying that it should be AWS and everything else because things like its retail business, subscriptions, and advertising are too interconnected to be valued separately. Now, we should say the stock is coming off its worst month since December 2018, although it's still up 72% this year. You can see it's up about 1.5% right now. Also, Citi is upgrading Workday to buy from neutral. Target here goes to $265. So analysts continue to see growth potential from newer cloud financial offerings and also its core enterprise business. You can see that stock is up almost 2%. And Snowflake getting a 250 price target. It's only been public for about 2 weeks now as Jefferies initiates a hold on the stock. So while analysts see revenue growth, Scott, between 117% in the near term and 50% through 2023, they also note that the stock is trading well ahead of its financials, and they expect a more attractive entry point sometime in the near future. So they say kind of just wait a little bit.
I'm still, Rahel, trying to get my arms around 4,500 on Amazon.
Hard to believe, I know.
Got another 50% to go? Okay. Thank you.
We'll see.
Rahel Solomon joining us as always. Good to see you. Josh Brown, 4,500? Amazon? Wow.
Well, Amazon is up 500% in the last 5 years, 1,800% in the last 10 years, and those probably seemed equally unlikely if you would have told people, went back in time and told people that's what would happen. Amazon's the most powerful corporation in the history of the United States. Way more powerful than Standard Oil ever was, or ExxonMobil, or U.S. Steel, or any dominant. And in fact, they're so powerful, this might be the only publicly traded corporation in America that is deliberately holding itself back from growing so that they don't end up in 5 different antitrust suits in Washington. There's no reason why we don't all buy our cars on Amazon other than they don't want to get sued. There's no reason why we don't buy life insurance, we don't keep bank accounts there. They could sell houses. Amazon literally has to restrain itself. That's how incredibly powerful and what a great how great they are at execution. So I can't think of another company that's publicly traded that's like actively pulling the reins back on itself and constraining itself so as to stay out of court. And for as long as they're in this position, I really don't know why you'd want to be betting against them.
Yeah, no, I hear you. It's just, expecting that kind of upside is still spectacular. All right, good stuff.
Do you know they're not even doing buybacks yet? Do you want to, people like, oh, the only reason stocks went up is the buyback. Okay, tough guy. Explain Amazon. They're not buying back stock. They don't even pay a dividend. There is so much power and flexibility concentrated at that organization that I don't even think they've pulled half the levers that they could pull. So that's the way I think about it. And 4,500 doesn't seem that unreasonable in that context.